I'm Lauren Hall with Sunless Inc., here to walk you through your Mystic Tan Unity Spray Booth touchscreen. Your Mystic Unity features a large HD screen with light touch technology for the most ideal interactive experience. In this video, we will cover how to access and use the operator portal of your booth touchscreen. To access the operator screen, you will simply press and hold the top right-hand corner of the screen for approximately 10 seconds to open the password keypad. Once you enter your password, you will enter the operator screen. The first screen you will access is a summary of your solution consumable levels. This section is divided by the lower drawer that contains the bag-and-box solutions and your upper drawer containing your mixer pouches. From this screen, you can see what types of solutions are loaded and the level remaining in each. Green indicates the solution level is sufficient, yellow indicates it is low, and red indicates the solution level is nearly empty and ready to be replaced. When you are ready to swap out a consumable solution, you will also use this screen to unlock the respective drawers before changing out your solution. Under Hardware tab, next to the Consumable tab, you can access each bay of your lower and upper solution drawers. Here you can run tests from each bay or purge a bay when necessary. Under the Other tab of Booth Hardware Control, you will find your drain pump and compressor controls. And under the Sensors tab, you will find access to your sensor controls. Under the Configuration tab at the top, you will find helpful firmware configurations for booth operation. You can adjust the volume of the audio in your booth under the Audio tab. Under the Booth Prep tab, you can adjust your booth warm-up mode. You have the option to use the default mode, which will heat the booth after your tanner has made their selections. Optionally, you can begin heat up when the tanner starts to make their tan selections, when the tanner enters the booth, or you can turn heat off altogether. Under the Washdown tab, you can adjust how often your booth initiates a washdown. Depending on your business traffic, you may choose to have it run after every session or after every 2 or 3 sessions. Under the Idle Refresh, you will see the fixed timing of your booth fans, which runs every 10 minutes for 1 minute. The fans run to ensure that air continues to circulate and your booth does not become stale or humid. Optionally, you can turn off the fans if you do not want them to run. Under Tan Session, you can run test sessions to ensure your booth is operating properly. You are able to fully customize a session from this screen in the same way that you can from the tanner-facing session screens. From the Session Control tab, you can reset your booth, which is a helpful first step if your booth experiences an error or loses Wi-Fi connection. Here is also where you will run a full session from the selections you've made under Session Data, and you can also run a full washdown cycle from this screen. Under the Detailed Controls tab, you can access more helpful controls for booth diagnostics. Here you can do things like purging your session cup if it has been filled but did not complete a session, or purge your session cup wash line. Under the Diagnostics tab, you can clear any errors that may occur on your booth, which is a helpful first step for troubleshooting your booth. Often an issue can be resolved by clearing booth errors and resetting your booth under Tan Session and the Session Control tab. Under the Networking tab, you will find access to your available Wi-Fi controls. Your installer will assist with connecting your booth to Wi-Fi at the time of install, and maintaining a Wi-Fi connection is required for the booth to operate correctly. This concludes the overview of your Mystic Tan Unity operator screens. If you have additional questions or need assistance with troubleshooting your booth, Please reach out to technical support at 855-450-3500 or tech@sunlessinc.com.